It's about who wins. I'm going in! Ah!
Heads up. Dropping a ping. Give me a sec. Recharging shield. Smoke out. Oscar right. I'm spotted. Reloading. I'm going in. Ah!
Okay, so those were the highlights of the match, but I'm not going to put the entire match onward. I'm just going to put the interesting moments when something happened, and to see if the phone will overheat or the frames will drop. I just changed the settings to Ultra HD this time. I'm not going to touch anything else for now, and yeah, let's play a match like this and see what's gonna happen.
Get ready to stitch him up.
We've got a job to do, so shift your carcass.
Race you to the LZ.
Okay, so they were talking, so I'm just trying to mute them.
Mira, it's not about how hard you tried. It's about who wins.
You can see the frame rates at the lower left under the battery and the Wi-Fi signal, and you can also see the lag that I'm getting, so let's see if any FPS will drop during the match.
Frag out.
I'm going.
Deploying health drone. Shooting. Reloading.
Oh look.
Okay, so there's a notification saying if the frames per second is unstable or device temperature is high, players are advised to reduce image quality or use any external cooling devices. I'm not noticing that the phone is getting any hotter for now, and I think the frames per second are still on 50, so they're not dropping. But let's see what happens.
Someone wandered into our safe space.
Contact. I'm the kill leader. No romp with me.
Give me a sec. Recharging shields. Ultimate's off cooldown.
Again with the frames
Who wants
per
to see
second
it rain?
warning, I'm still not noticing anything different with the phone.
Care package being delivered. Replicator being delivered.
Squad is attacking us. It's go time. Charging shields. Come on. Oh look. Someone got into our safe space. I'm going in. Ah!
Listen up, got another squad coming.
Ultimate's ready to go. Yeah! New kill leader, right here. Oh look, someone wandered in.
Got an extended energy mag right here. Never change.
I have noticed that my fingers get a bit more stuck to this screen compared to an Android device, and I'm not sure why. Like, this screen on the iPhone is more plasticky compared to, let's say, the S22 Ultra screen. That one feels more like glass.
Mira, it's not about how hard you tried. It's about who wins. I'm going in! Ah!
Heads up. Dropping a bang. Give me a sec. Recharging shield. Smoke out. Oscar Mike, I'm spotted.
Big up to us. That was the last one.
Check your sectors. Another squad is incoming. Reloading. Give me a sec. Recharging shields. Firing. Just to the last one. Get some. Oscar Mike, I'm spotted. Taking a got an Evo shield here. Level 3. Check your sectors. Another squad is incoming. Reloading. Oscar Mike, I'm spotted.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
I've got shots. We're outside the next ring.
Care package being delivered.
Level 2.
So I'm starting to notice that the back of the phone is getting warmer. It's nothing crazy, just a bit more hot than when I started. It's mostly right below the camera. That's where I can feel it. If I put my fingers there, I can feel the heat.
Replicator being delivered.
Okay, I've noticed slight drop in the frames per second just now. It went to like 42, I believe, from 50. Again, it went to 42. And now the game is over.
It's ready to go.
So the overall experience of this game was fine. I didn't have any issues playing, I didn't have any lag stopping me from enjoying the game, so I'm going to say it's all good. So in the next match I'm going to ramp up the settings and try it again. Let's see when the iPhone is going to not be able to handle the Apex Legends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want me to test something else, like another game maybe. I don't know. Thank you.